Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So guys, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful and very pretty handmade button art and craft ideas. Guys, these are very trending, very amazing and very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So guys, must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So guys, these are very amazing, very stunning and very pretty button recycling craft ideas. You guys use your old buttons into new. These are very amazing, very stunning and very classy button craft ideas. So guys, keep supporting my channel viewers, keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very latest and very amazing handmade button craft ideas. So guys, thank you so much. I'm glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well. Always think positive guys, always be positive. Guys, these are very amazing, very stunning and very pretty collections. Take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.